Olha chafeira bafethu chopo UK scene bafethu the Maskandi way I got another one bafethu this time around in Shell Maskandi never gonna believe this shit bro Maskandi the skid uzwe kuthiwa kune beef ku hip hop khona enye beef engapha na ku Maskandi bro so I've got you ukhuzani I don't know but beef analomjita lo kuthi ubani umthandini yeah so I don't know what's going on there, Buffet. Let's get it. It's Maskandi way in the hip hop way, Buffet. Let's get it. Angazi kuthiwa nimbongolo on this one. Sizwe ukuthi khuluma ngani uchita. Let's get it. Okay, ngiyaqala ukureacta like kuMaskandi so I don't know how I'll give you my truest reaction if I don't say anything for you to ngiyathula ngimangale that's how I react to Maskandi. Let's get it. Fact, bra, bathi basenihlukana khona umuye ubiza omunye ngembongolo. Hey, lembongolo lena. Yo, bro. Hey. Fact, bra. Uzabangani bakhe bathi iphi lembongolo yakho le sazoba imbongolo khona sazoba inja khona sazoba imbongolo ama-backings lawa ngawathanda way back yini ngicabanga ukuthi kwakuyingane zoma they had this backings lawa alabantu abanama voice lawa allowed la khona sazoba yinja khona yabo those backings lawa ane-bass beat yo bro they nice. Maskandi way, your boy Kuzan. Yeah. It's your boy UKC. The Maskandi way.